Hi friends, it's Janet, and people have been asking how do I check in? So I'm going to do actually two videos to show you how to check in for our upcoming cruise. This one here, which can be done on your home computer or your laptop, and then I'll do another one, how to do it on your phone or with the app. So you'll come into the website msccruisesusa.com and look on the home page, and there it says manage booking. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to manage my booking. Now here will be a little pop-down menu. Way over here on the left and the bottom is web check-in. So that's what we're doing. Let me go ahead and click on web check-in. All right, you're going to need some information, and one of the things you're going to need is your booking number, which, let's see, I have that right here. Let me put that in. Here's my booking number. Now this is real important. On my booking, I have my middle name, so I have to put my name in exactly as it appears on my booking. And I've read the privacy notice. I'll click that, and let's go to check-in. All right, so there it is, myself and Julian, and I will click check-in because I am checking myself in. Awesome. Here I'm going to just review my personal information real quick and then find. I have read the privacy notice, use the same data for both. I'm not going to click register for special offers, and I will just go to next. Oh, look at that, my embarkation, and we're all going to get the same 11:30 to 12 p.m. Next step is to take a photo of myself, and this is for my identity on board the ship. So, oh, there's me. All right, raise your face. I'm doing it. Got it.
Oh, you have to take your glasses off.
Oh, no glasses. There we go. That was something, but we got it. All right, so let's continue. What's next? Oh, gotta have my glasses on. All right. So the next step is to register my credit card, and that is important, but add Julie, okay, and register the card. It is very important to get a credit card on file for the cruise line. So let me go ahead and, because you will not be, you have to do this because if you don't register with a credit card, you will not be able to get off the ship at the end of the cruise. So you have to do this little step here. Or you can do it on board the ship, but I think, you know, proper preparation prevents problems. How about that one? So if you do it in advance, that's a good idea. So let me go ahead and put in my credit card number. Let's see. Okay, let's register that credit card, get that out of the way. The card has been successfully added, and next step, let's see what we got. So then the last thing to do here is for Julian to check in herself, which I'll let her take care of that later because she'll need to do a photo, a selfie. And if you have any questions, just let me know.